So here is your typical push mower. This is a Bolens. It's a Briggs Stratton engine on there. So it's the big wheel, so it's a little easier to push. But you can see the condition it's in. So this is what I took in on trade. And we are going to go over it. It currently does not start. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to wash it up. Spray it off. Get some of this dirt and grime off of there. We are putting some of the secret ingredients on here to get this grease off. So we are getting it a little cleaner, and let's go ahead and take a look inside here. Oh my. So that needs a little bit of cleaning, I would say. Most definitely. So be careful not to get water in there. Alright, so we got it cleaned up just a little bit, enough to work on, just to get some of that grease out of the way. This was pretty dirty, guys, so you know, make sure you spray your mowers off once in a while. Clean that filter out. So the next thing we are going to do is, I know it's bad gas. That is going to be bad. Let's check the oil. See what's going on with the oil before we try to crank it over. So there is oil in it. That'll be drained out and put some fresh oil in it. Should have cleaned that off when I had that stick off. But it'll get power washed off after. I just wanted to get some of this dirt out of the way. Alright, we got our blade adapter. And this is part 748-0376. A, B, C, and E. Genuine parts. Troy-bilt MTD. So it's the basic adapter for these Briggs engines that fits on there, and some other ones. Alright, let's get it installed. This star pattern on it. That's what kind of blade you're going to fit on there. There's your two little nipples, your nipply nipples. And you are going to slide it on. Has like a little notch there, and it'll slide right on. So as you look down in there, see that little notch? And then on the shaft itself, you see the notch. So you're just going to line that up, and it'll go on. And then your screw's going to hold it on there. And your blade adapter, bottom plate. So there is a blade adapter bottom plate in there, and there is also a new bolt for it. But if your old stuff is good, you can use that. So here's our old stuff. It's still good. Might as well use that up. We'll use putting a new one on there, and we will throw our blade right on there. So here's our blade. Let's go ahead and pull that off. I'll show you. So your blade and your nipples will be poking through there. Right there. That's how you do it. That's all there is to it. And then this will go on there. And then these have nipples on there. And that'll line up and go on there just like that. So let's go ahead and bolt that back on. And there we have it. Bolted back on. Nice and tight. So this is what the blade adapter looked like when I got the mower. It was missing a whole big chunk and part of the nipple part that should be holding the blade on. So it could have slid sideways. But so luckily they couldn't get it started and they weren't continuing to use it like this.